So hey guys, it's Charles, and today I'm going to be setting some traps. And I'm going to be using Victor traps. Okay, let's get started. Looks like the hole is right there, as you can see. So let's get digging. So if you can see right there, we got a hole right here, and it's going that way. So let's dig it out a little, okay? Make sure it doesn't split. And then grab our trap. If you can see, I have this little metal piece to stick in the ground so they don't get away with my trap. Right there. So yeah. This is the hole. And this is the trap. You might want to clean the hole out a little so you can fit the trap in there. And I'll be making another video soon on checking the trap. But yeah. So let's set this up. Now I got my trap all set. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put it right in the hole. Let's clean it out a little more. Looks like the hole's turning, so we might have to dig it out more. Yeah, we're gonna have to dig it out more, so let's get the post digger and dig it out. If you can see, I'm having a little trouble. So now that we got this digged out, let's take a look at it. So let's start getting this dug out more so we can set the trap down in here. And it looks like okay. So now we grab the trap once it's set, and we make sure it fits down in there nice and snug like that. And then slightly cover it with some dirt like that. You still want to let air and a little sunlight in. Maybe push the trap in farther, and yeah, let's see if we can find another hole. So right here, if you can tell, I got a bunch of holes in the ground. And let me move this out of the way. There. And let's see if we can find their hole. there's also another gopher mound right here. So we're gonna dig this sucker up if I can find the hole. And yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing today. And I'll be making another video of me checking my traps. And if you can see, we have some gopher and some squirrel problems over here, so let's get rid of these suckers. You have to find the hole first, which can be a pain sometimes, but we got this one right here set. And let me set you guys down over here on this bucket so you can watch me dig. And let's see if we can find the hole. Okay. We might have to dig deeper or dig up another mound. So yeah. That's all I'm going to be doing, really, today. So, let's get digging. Okay, let's see if we can find the hole now. Get some more of it dug out. I'm not finding it. We're gonna have to probably move to a different mound. So yeah, let's move to a different mound area and grab some more traps. Got my shovel and stuff. Got another trap right here, but let's go grab some more traps and some flags so I know where my traps are. And yeah. So now we're gonna get some more traps and go set a trap or two. And now we got another trap, put it in my bag right here. Yeah, these in my bag. We're all ready to go. So now let's go grab the post digger and my little pipe. And we should be good to go. So, yeah. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's grab our shovel and our pipe. And this trap. Don't forget about this one. We have some more gopher mounds out there, so I'm gonna go work on those. If you can tell, we have a lot of squirrel mounds out here. And you can probably tell why. A lot of nice stuff for them to eat. So, we got some mounds over here. And yeah, let's start digging them up. Well, let's go farther over here. Let's see, is this a gopher mound? This might be a gopher mound. But, who knows? Someone knows. Just not me. So we got a fresh gopher mound right here. And we're gonna set my trap. If you can tell, we got a couple gopher mounds over here. Yeah, let's start it off with digging that one right there up. And I think I found the hole, so let's check it out. Patsy!